No talking. Jab, jab, move around. 1-2s, 1-2-3s, uppercuts. Don't get stiff. Bob and weave. Move. Jab. Don't stay in because a hook can come. Do your job, move away. Do your job, move away. Jab, jab. 1-2. Block those punches. Here. Jab. Straight jab, guys. Straight jab. Makes the other guy back off. Straight jab. Hook him to the head. Hook him to the head. If he puts his hands down, hook him to the head. And that's both of you. Little tap on top of the head too. You can. Straight, straight. Don't stay in one place. He's got you if you stay in one place. Back off, not too many. If you do a bunch of them, go to an angle, go to the sides. But you gotta keep moving, or else they're gonna catch you guys. Okay, ding ding. 2 minutes. Shake hands.